The intestines play a crucial role in digestion and elimination, and keeping them healthy is essential for overall health and well-being. A clean and healthy intestine not only helps with digestion but also promotes the absorption of nutrients, supports the immune system, and contributes to a healthy weight. Here are some natural ways to cleanse the intestines. 1. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet that is high in fiber, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables can help promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. Fiber helps bulk up the stool, making it easier to pass, and also helps promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. It is important to avoid processed and refined foods that are high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives that can disrupt the natural balance of the gut. 2. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water helps keep the digestive system running smoothly and prevents constipation. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day, and consider drinking warm water with lemon in the morning to stimulate digestion. 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps stimulate the muscles in the digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It can also help reduce stress, which can have a negative impact on digestion. 4. Practice stress reduction techniques. Chronic stress can disrupt the natural balance of the gut, leading to digestive issues. Practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or Tai Chi can help reduce stress and improve digestion. 5. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt the natural balance of the gut and lead to digestive issues. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help support a healthy gut. 6. Incorporate probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help promote a healthy gut microbiome. They can be found in fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, or taken as a supplement. 7. Consider herbal remedies. There are several herbal remedies that can help support a healthy gut. Some popular options include ginger, fennel, peppermint, and chamomile, which can be brewed into tea or taken as a supplement. 8. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including promoting a healthy gut. By giving the digestive system a break, intermittent fasting can help promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut and improve digestion. 9. Consider colon hydrotherapy. Colon hydrotherapy is a method of cleansing the colon using warm water. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before trying this method, as it can have potential risks and side effects. 10. Avoid harmful substances. To keep the gut healthy, it is important to avoid harmful substances such as tobacco, alcohol, and processed foods. These substances can disrupt the natural balance of the gut and lead to digestive issues. In summary, a healthy diet, regular exercise, stress reduction techniques, and adequate sleep are essential for maintaining a healthy gut. Incorporating probiotics, herbal remedies, and intermittent fasting can also help support gut health. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new cleansing methods or supplements.